Hey guys, hello again. Welcome to کافه زبان channel. به کانال کافه زبان خیلی خوش اومدین. Today we're going to learn slang terms which is used in America a lot. And absolutely you have to know them in order to understand YouTubers, TikTokers and other cool people on this planet. So if you are interested in these terms, keep watching this video. Term number 1 is lit. Lit. When something is very exciting, when something is very enjoyable, you can say it is a lit. For example, this party is very exciting, or you can say this party is a lit. Or also this movie is a lit. This food is a lit. یعنی که وقتی شما بخواید یه چیزی ازش تعریف بکنید و بگید که خیلی خوبه، خیلی توپه، عالیه و بخواید که بیشتر شبیه نیتیو اسپیکرز ها صحبت بکنید، نیتیو اسپیکر ها صحبت بکنید، میتونید که از lit استفاده کنید. به جای اینکه تکراری هی بگید که it is enjoyable, it is amazing, it is wonderful, so you can use some other new expressions. And also this word lit is used by a lot of Americans people. The next term is goat, and you might think that it means something like bet, but no, that's absolutely wrong. An acronym means that you take the first letter of each word of a phrase. acronym به معنی مخففه، یعنی شما اولین حرف هر کلمه رو برمی‌داری و مخفف رو میسازی. Goat here means the greatest of all times، یعنی بهترین همیشه. تا الان بهتر از این نبوده. For example, you can comment below, teacher, this video is a goat. Next term is snatched. Snatched means chic یا chic push. For example, her dress is snatched. So we use it when something is cool, especially an outfit. Term number 4, on fleek. یعنی خیلی خوب، خیلی عالی. For example, you say this word when you want to say that you have done something perfectly, in a great way. For example, if your hair is evenly groomed, you can say my hair is on fleek. Or also, if your hair is beautifully executed, you can also say it is or my hair is on fleek. Term number 5, salty. Of course, you can say salty to something that it has a lot of salt, but here it has a little different meaning. When someone is salty, it means he or she is sad about something. For example, I am really salty that I had to cancel my trip to Italy this summer. خب پس خیلی جا به جای اینکه بگیم I am sad that I had to cancel my trip, میتونید بگید که I am salty. Because this term is used a lot in America, and if you want to understand American people, and if you want to say or express yourself to American people, you should know these terms. Term number 6, fit. Fit has different meaning in Great Britain or America. For example, if in Britain someone says that he or she is fit, it means he or she is beautiful, handsome. But in America, we used to talk about outfit, especially short outfit. For example, your fit was beautiful last night. پس fit توی آمریکا و بریتانیا تفاوت معنایی داره. اگر توی بریتانیا استفاده بشه در واقع به این معنیه که اون خوشگله، زیباست، she is fit, he is fit, it means she is beautiful, he is handsome. ولی اگر که توی آمریکا استفاده بشه همون معنی outfit رو میده ولی یه مقدار کوتاه‌تر. For example, as I said, her outfit was beautiful last night in the party. Term number 7, dead. There is also a positive meaning for it if you want to use it as a slang term. For example, if you say you are dead, it means that you are really really funny. پس از اسلنگ dead زمان استفاده میکنیم که یه چیزی فوق‌العاده خوب باشه، فوق‌العاده بامزه باشه، فانی باشه. Term number 8, fire. از این ترم یا از این اصطلاح خیلی استفاده میشه توی آمریکا برای اینکه بخوان یه چیزی رو خیلی ازش تعریف کنن، بگن که خیلی عالیه. مثلا به جای بگن دوباره مثلا this party is good or this party is great, they say this party is a fire. Boom. Or also this movie is fire, that movie was fire, I don't know, this book is fire, and blah blah blah. Term number 9, Lowkey. This term is used to describe that something is happening in a very quiet way, like a modest party or something like that. For example, I'm throwing a birthday party for my son and I am inviting 10 of my friends and I am asking them, please keep it low key. It means don't dress up, don't bring gifts. We are going just sit together, drink Coca-Cola and do nothing, just talking and something like this. Lowkey به معنی بی سر و صدا، بی کپ و دبدبه هست. یعنی که یک مثلا مهمونی رو که میخواین شما لوکی اجراش بکنین، به معنی که میخواین یه مهمونی ساده ای رو برگزار بکنید بدون دبدبه و کپه. I want to keep this party low key. Or also, let's keep this party low key. Let's keep it low key. بیایید بدون هیچ تشریفات و بدون هیچ سرصدای خاصی این مهمونی رو برگزار کنیم. امیدوارم که بازم از این ویدیو لذت کافی رو برده باشید. خیلی خوشحال میشم اگر که کانال ما رو حمایت کنید، سابسکرایب کنید، لایک کنید. یادتون نره کامنت کنید که دوست دارید ویدیوی بعدیمون در مورد چه موضوع آموزشی توی زبان انگلیسی باشه. بای بای.